Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to do the book exercise of lesson 1 Raghu's Adventure. In our previous class, we did the question answers given at the end of the book in our notebooks. Yes. So let us start with the book exercise, and first part of the book exercise is vocabulary junction, which is given on page number 109. Okay. So before moving forward, let us read out these words. First is nonsense. Second is reappear. Third is undo. Fourth, unequal. Fifth, decrease, disappear, and mislead. Okay. So as you can see, these words are formed by adding some group of words before the words, like before the root words. Like in the first word, non is a group of letters which is added to the root word sense. Okay, so what this non is a prefix. So what is a prefix? A prefix is a group of letters placed before the root of the word. Root of the word means the word. Okay, the main word. Okay, so इसके साथ जब हम कुछ group of words को जोड़ते हैं to change their meaning, those letters are called prefixes. Those letters are called prefixes. In the second word, you can easily find out what is the prefix. Re is a prefix and appear is a root word. Okay, and likewise in the next one, un is a prefix. Again, un is a prefix. D, e is a prefix. Okay, and here dis is a prefix, and mis in the last word is a prefix. Okay, so we need to understand what are meaning of these prefixes. Okay, so there are so many prefixes, but here we will understand about some prefixes and their meaning. So here non means not. Okay, non means not. अगर हम किसी रूट वर्ड के साथ नॉन को ऐड कर देते हैं तो हम उस वर्ड के मीनिंग के साथ हम नॉट लगा देते हैं. ओके, सेंस इज अ पॉजिटिव सेंस मीन्स इज अ पॉजिटिव यूज सेंस इन अ पॉजिटिव सेंस, बट अगर हमने इसके साथ नॉन लगा दिया, इट मीन्स इट बिकम्स अ नेगेटिव word. It becomes a negative word because non means not. Okay, in the next one, re means again. Appear is a root word. अगर हम इस root word के साथ re लगा दिया, so that means reappear means दोबारा से appear होना, means again. Okay, in next word is undo. इसमें un is a prefix which means against or which means not. Again is unequal में भी un is a prefix which means not. Okay, which means opposite. Equal is a positive word, लेकिन अगर हम उसमें un लगा देते हैं, unequal कर देते हैं, तो that becomes the opposite of equal. Okay, likewise disappear, mislead. Disappear, dis means opposite or reverse. Yes, mislead, mis means again the opposite or reverse. Okay, decrease means to reverse or to down. So many prefixes are there, and we need to understand meaning of as many prefixes as we can. Some of the prefixes are given in your book also, like non, which means हमने अभी सीखा non का मतलब है not. Okay, when we use not with some root words, तो उनका negative meaning बन जाता है, means profit. अगर के प्रॉफिट के साथ हमने नॉन लगा दिया, दैट मीन्स इट बिकम्स अ नेगेटिव वर्ड. नॉन प्रॉफिट, नॉन फिक्शन, नॉन रेजिस्टेंस. ओके, सो ऑल दीज हैव बिकम negative words with the use of prefix non. Okay, next a prefix is over. Over means excessively or completely. Okay, excessively. Okay, so act is here. Act is a main is a root word जिसके साथ over लगा दिया गया, तो over it becomes the over act means ज्यादा ही. Okay, over means ज्यादा ही, excessively. So when we use over with the root words, it becomes it adds to the meaning of the root word as excessively or completely. ठीक है, last is under. Under means below or beneath, जैसे कि undernourished, Okay, undernourished, which means insufficiently nourished, not nourished well, not enough nourished. Okay, so when we use underfed, fed means completely fed. Okay, but when we use word under, it means not sufficient, insufficient. Okay, so here what you have to do, on the basis of this explanation, I will give you some exercises to do, which is given in the book only. So now before that, let us understand these another group of words. Here word given is comfortable, next is beautiful, strongest, flavorless, bigger, tasteless and brightness. As opposite to these group of words, here you can notice some of the group of letters we have added at the end of the root word. Here the root word is means the main word is comfort. Okay, comfort के साथ क्या लगा दिया गया है, able. Beauty is the main word और उसके साथ हमने क्या ऐड किया, full. Strong is the main word, est इसके साथ पीछे लगाया गया. Flavor is the main word, उसके साथ less को लगाया गया. Big is the main word, er is the word, is the group of letters that we have added to it. Taste, less, taste is the root word and less इसके साथ हमने add किया है. Bright is the root word and NESS हमने इसके साथ add किया है. So when we add group of words to the group of letters to the end of the root verb, they are called suffixes. So just keep this thing in your mind. When we add group of words in the beginning of the root word, तो वो prefix होते हैं. Prefix, pre means पहले. Okay, prefix means the words, the group of letters that are added in the beginning of the words, okay, to change their meaning. And suffixes means the group of letters that are added at the end of the root word to change their meaning. So suffixes is a group of letters placed after the root of the word. Okay, so let us understand meaning of these suffixes. Here able means to have the quality. Here able means to have the quality. Okay, and full means full of, est, where when we add est, we here are showing or telling the superlative degree. Less means without. Okay, less means without or not affected by. Less means without or not affected by. Er, when we want, here less again means without, and which is added with the root word taste. So when we say the thing is the dish is very tasty, that means वो बहुत dish बहुत tasty है. If we say it is tasteless, that means without taste. Okay, likewise in the next word we have used NESS. Ness is a suffix which we have used with the root word bright. Okay, it is telling the state of being or a condition. Okay, ness लगाने से किसी भी word में it starts telling us the quality of that of anything. Okay, this shows the condition or the state of being. So let us understand the suffixes that are given in your book here. Okay, so some of the suffixes given here are ness, which means state of being. Examples are sweetness, brightness, politeness and gentleness. Ship, denoting a quality or condition, like hardship, membership, scholarship, friendship. Okay, इन सब में हमने कौन सा suffix का use किया है, SHIP, ship. Okay, less, as I told you now only that less means without. Okay, use less. अगर use के साथ हमने less use कर दिया, then it becomes the negative word. Okay, like careless, sleepless, helpless and tasteless. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to do this question number 1 in your book. And how you are going to do this? You have to make as many words as you can by adding the given prefixes and suffixes to the words in the box. All these are prefixes and suffixes. Yes, under, over, non, ये क्या है, तीनों prefixes हैं. Ness, ship and less, all these are suffixes. Okay, so आपको बहुत सारे words, इसमें से जितने words आप बना सकते हैं by adding suffixes और prefixes, you have to make, like under, estimate, okay, underestimate, overestimate, okay, like non profit, okay, and here friendship, okay. सो आपको इसी तरीके से जितने वर्ड्स आप यहाँ पर बना सकते हैं आपको सफिक्सेस और प्रीफिक्सेस ऐड करके बनाने हैं, ओके, एंड यू कैन फाइंड आउट देयर मीनिंग ऑल्सो, ओके. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू ऐड द सुटेबल प्रीफिक्स और सफिक्सेस टू द वर्ड गिवन इन द बॉक्स, ओके. लाइक सम पीपल, आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू टेक दीज रूट वर्ड्स, ये सारे रूट वर्ड्स हैं, इसमें कोई भी प्रीफिक्स और सफिक्स ऐड नहीं हुआ है, तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको प्रीफिक्स और सफिक्सेस अपने आप से इसमें ज्वाइन करने हैं. सो सम पीपल बिलीव इट इज डैश टू फाइट अगेंस्ट करप्शन, सम पीपल बिलीव इट इज यूजलेस, it is useless without any use, okay, it is not, it is of no use, okay. So इसमें क्या आएगा, useless. in the next one, after overcoming my many dash king Arthur regained his kingdom, okay, hard ship. So likewise you have to try to fill these blanks on your own, okay. So these two are your homework, question number 1 and question number 2 you have to do in the book, okay.